Set right on the edge of Cayuga Lake in New York's Finger Lakes region, Ithaca is a town with a soul of its own. A blend of bohemian charm, academic energy, and a deep connection to nature. It's the kind of place where a restaurant like Moosewood could only exist. This iconic restaurant has been a part of the town since the 70s, quietly redefining what vegetarian food can be. I've been told if I come to Ithaca, it's a non-negotiable. I have to come to Moosewood.
Well, thank you. It's very, very kind of people to say.
This is not a restaurant that's been around for 5 years. How long has Moosewood been here for?
So Moosewood has been here since 1973,
Wow.
January 1973, in the same location, same spot.
Cosy, welcoming, and focused on sustainability long before it was trendy, Moosewood serves up fresh, seasonal dishes that celebrate local ingredients. So Tim, tell me about the menu.
Ever since Moosewood was founded, it was founded by like a bunch of people who were like kind of like, would you say, hippies in the 70s and stuff like that, and like, you know, very big into the counterculture movement of the time, because a lot of them were vegetarian, which at the time was especially pretty like kind of a weird thing to be vegetarian.
Yeah.
They decided to open a restaurant that had like a real strong vegetarian emphasis on local and seasonality as well.
So how many owners were there at the beginning then, if it was a bit of a co-op?
I believe it was 6 or 7
Wow.
people. They weren't restaurateurs in like the traditional sense. They just kind of like were united in kind of like an interest and passion in food.
Amazing. And tell me about this cookbook here.
The cookbook. They would draw from a variety of different sources, cuisines, all that stuff, and then put the vegetarian emphasis onto it. And so they started documenting a lot of these recipes, and it was in like a spiral-bound notebook. The notebook got bigger and bigger, and they kind of realized, like, maybe we have something here. That became the Moosewood cookbook. The original version was just spiral-bound, and like it still has the hand lettering
Yes,
and
I
the
love
drawings
this.
and all that stuff.
Yeah.
It became kind of like a surprise international bestseller.
Tim, you've been working here for 20 years. Vegetarian food, has it evolved during this time?
It's been remarkable to see how much more mainstream vegetarian has become. I think people have become a lot more conscious about being vegetarian for any variety of reasons, whether it's like health reasons or like ethical reasons, even like from a scientific standpoint with food, what people are able to do to make things more plant-based has been remarkable.
And you're born and bred in this region. Tell me a little bit about Ithaca.
It's in the region called the Finger Lakes, which was like formed by glaciers millions of years ago. It gives us a lot of diversity in the region in terms of what we're able to like grow and produce. And there's also gorges that wind through the city. So like the lake is only a few miles away, but if you want to take a walk up a waterfall, it's literally just a few blocks that way. Ithaca is a very vibrant town because we have Cornell University. It's a very cool, unique town that has definitely its own vibe to it. Yeah,
Absolutely. On to the menu.
Sure.
What am I going to eat today?
I think you're gonna have the hatamugi and baby kale salad. It is a very Moosewood style dish because it kind of draws from a different variety of sources to kind of make something that's a little bit unique. It has a variety of different garnishes with it and has 2 dressings. It has like a local cheese on it. It's baby kale, pickled radishes, tamari almonds, roasted asparagus.
I don't think there's enough on that plate.
Yeah,
what else?
It's dressed in parsley and chives. Got some umami in there.
I think I like the sound of that. Thank you so much, Tim.
Enjoy, yep.
Ooh, this looks fantastic. It's got some baked tofu there that's been marinated in soy. And what I'm really interested in is this hatamugi, which I've never tried before. It's actually a gluten-free seed, and it really reminds me of barley. And you know when you go on holidays and you eat a lot of decadent, rich food, a lot of hamburgers, sandwiches, milkshakes, you just crave a delicious salad. And this is a salad full of interesting flavors. There's so much thought behind it. The tofu there's nuts, so there's texture, beautiful mushrooms, and the obligatory feta. I love feta in a salad. I'm so happy I've been able to come to this place. It's steeped in history. 50 years is a long time to be in business. They're obviously doing something right, not only with the locals of Ithaca, but visitors from around the world flock here because super delicious.